In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up milestones and tasks in Zoho projects. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to organize your projects effectively. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and type Zoho into the search bar. You'll be looking for the official Zoho website, so click on the first link you see or locate the one with zoho.com as its URL. Once there, sign in using your Zoho account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one yet. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho dashboard. From here, look for the Projects application icon and click on it to access Zoho projects. On the project's main page, navigate to the specific project you want to modify and head directly to its Overview tab. The Overview tab gives you a glimpse into the current status and progress of your project. Next, you'll need to access the settings. This can be done by clicking on the gear icon generally located at the top right of your project view. Once inside the settings, navigate to the Customization tab and find the section labeled Modules. In the Modules section, you'll want to click the Update button, which ensures that any changes made are saved and applied to your project. To further customize the appearance and functionality of your project, locate the three-dot menu next to your project tabs. Clicking there will present a drop-down menu from which you should select Organize Tabs. If you haven't already, add phases to your project's view by enabling it in this menu. Once done, phases should be visible in your project's navigation menu. Click on Phases, and you'll see an option to Add Phase. Click this option to begin setting up a new milestone. Here, you'll need to enter a few essential details. Start by giving your milestone a descriptive name that everyone involved will understand. Then, assign an owner. This person is responsible for overseeing and ensuring the milestone is completed. Don't forget to specify the start and end dates for this milestone to clarify the expected timeline. Now that your milestone is set, it's time to add some structure. Within this milestone, look for the option to add a task list. Task lists help you group related tasks effectively. For instance, under a development milestone, you could create task lists like Design, Development, and Testing. Once you have a task list created, click on it to open it up. Inside, you'll find the option to add a new task. When creating a new task, enter detailed information such as the task description, which provides specifics about what needs to be done. Assign an owner, someone responsible for completing the task, and set the start and due dates. Consider adding priority levels, tags, and reminders for better organization and to stay on top of deadlines. If a task needs to be repeated, set up its recurrence to automate its repetition. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and manage milestones and tasks in Zoho projects. This organization creates clarity in your project timeline and assigns clear responsibilities, keeping your team aligned and productive.